Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Raya Balloons is probably one of the most essential and vibrant elements for celebrating Eid al-Fitr, transforming any space into a festive wonderland with their colorful designs and joyful presence, making them a must-have for creating memorable moments and capturing the spirit of togetherness during this special occasion, ensuring your decorations truly pop. Number 5. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Immerse yourself in the Star Wars universe with this incredibly detailed LEGO brick model. It faithfully recreates the Razor Crest from the hit series, The Mandalorian. This set brings your favorite characters to life. It features 4 iconic minifigures, including the Mandalorian and the Child, plus an IG-11 droid. Get ready for adventure with its dual minifigure cockpit and 2 spring-loaded shooters. For daring escapes, it even includes a detachable escape pod. Explore the cargo hold with its opening side boarding ramps, perfect for easy access. Inside, you'll discover carbonite bounty elements and a cozy sleeping area. Relive thrilling moments from the series as you battle against the Scout Trooper and other adversaries. This amazing set provides endless opportunities for imaginative play. Looking for an unforgettable present? This collectible set makes an excellent birthday or any day gift for Star Wars fans, boys, and girls aged 10 and up. What we like? This set offers an incredibly detailed and iconic build from a beloved series. If you are a Star Wars enthusiast or looking for a gift that combines building with imaginative play, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for recreating epic scenes and displaying a piece of the galaxy. What people say. Number 4. MIHOLL Women's Puff Long Sleeve Top. Discover the perfect blend of style and comfort with this elegant top. It's designed to elevate your everyday look with ease. Its distinctive puff long sleeves add a touch of modern sophistication. This design detail makes it stand out from ordinary blouses. Crafted from a soft, casual knit fabric, it ensures all-day comfort. You'll love how gentle it feels against your skin. Featuring a classic crew neck and an elegant tunic length, it offers versatile styling options. You can dress it up or down for any occasion. Whether for a casual outing or a more refined event, this top is your go-to choice. It effortlessly combines comfort with a polished appearance. What we like? This top brings a blend of comfort and modern elegance to your wardrobe. If you are looking for a versatile piece that can transition from casual daywear to a more dressed-up look, this is a great option. Its unique sleeve design adds a chic touch to any outfit. What people say. Number 3. 40-inch purple helium foil number balloons. These stunning balloons are a generous 40 inches each, making them a focal point for any celebration. Their large figures ensure they stand out, capturing everyone's attention. Crafted from high-quality aluminum foil, they are designed for durability and a vibrant, metallic finish. This material ensures they hold helium well and maintain their shape throughout your event. Whether it's a baby shower, birthday, or wedding, these versatile balloons are the ideal party supply. They add a touch of elegance and fun to any special occasion. Each balloon comes individually packaged in an op bag, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition. This secure packaging makes them easy to store until your event. Inside, you'll find one beautiful number balloon, ready to inflate. It also includes a convenient blow-up straw, making preparation quick and effortless. What we like? Make a grand statement at any celebration with this eye-catching balloon. If you want to personalize your event with a specific age or year in a memorable way, this large number balloon is ideal. It instantly elevates birthday parties, anniversaries, or baby showers with its striking presence. What people say. Number 2. LOOLEY Balloon Shine Spray 15 FL.OZ. Tired of dull balloons? This spray instantly transforms them, giving a mirror-like finish. It delivers a stunning, professional shine on both latex and foil. Achieve a flawless look without any hassle. Its ultrafine mist coats balloons evenly, leaving no sticky residue or streaks. Just spray and enjoy a perfect finish. Spray with ease, whether sideways or vertically. Its fan-shaped mist covers more surface instantly, ensuring quick and complete coverage. This design makes application simple and efficient. Get professional-grade results quickly and easily. This formula ensures a smooth, glossy shine without drips or pooling. Your decorations will truly stand out. Don't let its small size fool you, it delivers a huge impact. This portable gloss spray is perfect for home users and small events. It's designed for flawless balloons whenever you need them, without bulk or waste. Enjoy a beautiful shine that lasts. Its waterproof and instant gloss formula keeps your balloons looking vibrant. Plus, it's fragrance-free for a pleasant experience. What we like? Achieve a professional, mirror-like finish on your balloons effortlessly with this spray. If you aim for professional-looking decorations without the hassle of wiping, this product is a game-changer. Its no-wipe, quick-drying formula ensures your balloons shine brilliantly for any event. What people say. No suitable positive reviews found in the provided source. Unable to extract 2 to 3 points as the source JSON is empty. Number 1. Red, Black, Purple Balloon Arch Kit. Transform your celebrations with this vibrant balloon arch kit. It provides everything you need to create an eye-catching display for any special event. This kit features a rich assortment of purple, blue, yellow, red, and black balloons in various sizes. It also includes a striking black and white striped foil balloon and all necessary accessories for assembly. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic latex and durable foil, these balloons are designed for lasting beauty. They are resistant to popping, ensuring your decorations stay perfect throughout your entire event. Enjoy a hassle-free setup process with this kit. Its components are easy to assemble, allowing you to create a professional-looking balloon arch or garland with minimal effort. You can inflate them with either helium or air. Whether it's a birthday, baby shower, or graduation, this kit is incredibly versatile. It helps you create a festive and memorable atmosphere for any occasion, elevating your event decor. Your satisfaction is our top priority. If you have any questions or encounter issues, our customer assistance team is ready to help. We want you to relax and enjoy your celebration. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to create a stunning balloon arch. If you're planning a grand party and want an impressive backdrop with minimal effort, this kit is perfect. It offers high-quality balloons and all accessories for a vibrant, long-lasting display. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.